Chancellor Rishi Sunak has unveiled the content of his budget in the House of Commons today, setting out the government tax and spending plans for the year ahead. He announced new measures to help business and jobs through the pandemics and to support the UK's long-term economic recovery and a series of tax rising plans to help rebalance the public finance. And everybody knows, due to the COVID-19, government are helping since March 2020. So I'd like to summarize some key points of the budget 2021. Firstly, furlough schemes. So furlough schemes is to be extended until the end of September 2021. Employers will continue to pay 10% of cost through to July 2021, when their contribution will increase to 20%. And government also to continue paying 80% of employees' wages for hours they cannot work, and employers to be asked to contribute 10% in July and 20% in August and September as well. And secondly, SEISS Grants. SEISS Grant is self-employers income support scheme has been extended with grants to cover February to April 2021. So as before, those grants will be worth 80% of average trading profit up to 7,500. So this self-employment grant is extended until September 2021. So more details will be published as soon as possible. So more than 600,000 self-employed people will be eligible for help as access to these grants, which is good support for the self-employed peoples in these pandemic situations. And universal credit, universal credit, £20 uplift in universal credit worth 1,000 a year to be extended for another 6 months. And working tax credit, who is receiving the working tax credit. So working tax credit claimant will get £500 of payment. And minimum wages to increase £8.91 per hour from April 2021. So current rate is £8.72. And business rates holiday. So business rate holiday for those in the hospitality and leisure sectors will continue to the end of June, with the two-third discount offered for the remainder of the tax year. And restart grant to be offered to business in the hospitality, accommodations, leisure, personal care, and gym sectors in inland. Those grants will be worth up to 18,000. So more details will be published as soon as possible by the local authority. And the recovery loan schemes. So a new loan scheme has launched. So the new recovery loan scheme will be launched. Loans under the scheme will have 80% of their value backed by the government. The loans offered under this scheme can range from 25,000 to 10 millions. And the stamp duty holiday extended until 30 June with an interim threshold of 250,000 for 3 more months. From October, the threshold returned to 125,000. And the taxation. So I'm coming to the taxation now. So there are no changes coming in the income tax and national insurance rates, but VAT 5% reduced rates for hospitality will be extended to September 2021 with a rate of 12.5% introduced until April next year, so which is very good for the VAT registered business. And the income tax, already I said, is frozen. is frozen to at 12,570 pounds. So from until 2026 until 2026, and the higher rate income tax threshold to be frozen at 50,270 pounds, so until 2026. And the corporation tax from April 2023, corporation tax will be 25%. So to help protect small business, 50,000 small profit rate will be introduced, set at the current rate of 19%. Once a company profit rise above 50,000, a taper will apply, so that only businesses with profit above 250,000 will have to pay the 25% rates. So it's for the big profit margins. And mortgage guarantee scheme. So new mortgage guarantee scheme is launched for the first time buyers. So new 5% deposit mortgage. So we'll uh, give you more details when the more details will be published. And apprenticeships. Okay, before I'm going to the apprenticeship schemes, I'm saying the stamp duty. Already I mentioned already stamp duty apprenticeships. So apprenticeships is hiring incentive in inland to be extended to September 2021, and the payment will be increased to 3,000. Additionally, an extra 126 million will be provided to fund 40,000 more traineeship in inland for 16 to 24 years old in 2021 and 2022 academic year. So basically, I summarize some key points for the viewers and listeners, and basically today Chancellor Said has highlighted the pandemic has fundamentally altered our lives. So with the economy having shrunk by the 10% and borrowing reaching wartime levels, so there were no rises in income tax, national insurance, or VAT announced through the personal income tax allowance, and higher rate threshold will be frozen this year. So of note was the Chancellor announcement that more money will be provided for HMRC investigators to identify fraud relating to the coronavirus support measures. So who are doing the tax frauding? So they will be catch up. So new funds uh, uh, put to the for the HMRC investigation purpose. So hopefully we'll when the more details will coming, we'll give you new videos for the viewers and listeners. So thank you for today. So if you need any more informations, you can contact to us, Citygate Accountants, 0203553159, and the mobile number is 0795058555.